Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Do we really need heavy trucks on the road? What if animals could talk to us? I guess someone was in a hurry. No need to check for traffic before turning, apparently.
So did anybody get Smith slapped over this whole identity thing?
I did. Just Morgan figured out who we are.
Smith slapped you?
Yeah, their social media director came and Smith slapped me.
Rightfully so.
So now I've got to unblock 30 modes. I figured Rick is...
I guess red light means go forward, not stop. Got a dash cam last week, and I'm really glad I did. I almost smoked 2 deer this morning.
A few moments later.
A brief glimpse of a low flyby over the freeway this morning. This idiot just littered their lit cigarette. Couldn't wait 5 more seconds? Trying to figure out who the idiot is here.
Oh my God! Did you see that? Did you see that?
I was looking at you, but I saw the tire.
Oh my f***ing God,
Jolene,
dude.
Why is this Tesla driver turning right from the left lane without looking? I bet that hurt his hand. I guess driving a car like this is okay if you're unlicensed. This driver isn't happy because I moved into his lane. This idiot was on his phone, and when he realized his turn was coming up, he pulled this stunt. A blown tire next to a semi is not ideal timing. These are the things you'd rather not experience while on the road. Watch out for falling tires. 3 cars were pretty lucky, but 1 was not. A couple arguing, and the boyfriend purposely grabs the wheel and drives them off the road.
Twenty minutes later.
This semi tries to block me from zipper merging a mile ahead. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.